They say that knowledge is power, and in the realm of personal finance, that couldn't be truer. Whether you're striving to build wealth, conquer debt, or simply gain a better understanding of your financial situation, these books are your roadmap to success. So, are you ready to master your money, unlock the secrets of investing, and achieve financial freedom? Welcome, financial aficionados and curious minds alike, to a journey that's bound to transform the way you think about money and wealth. In a world where financial literacy is a superpower, books have been the secret weapon of many self-made millionaires and billionaires. Today, we're about to unlock the treasure chest of financial wisdom as we dive into the top money books that have the power to reshape your financial future. So, grab your notepad, settle into your favorite reading nook, and prepare to embark on a journey into the fascinating world of financial literacy. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. If you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Links to the books are given in the description below. Number 10. The Bogleheads Guide to Investing by Michael Both The Bogleheads Guide to Investing is a comprehensive guide to investing principles inspired by the philosophy of John C. Bogle, the founder of Vanguard Group and a pioneer in low-cost passive investing. Co-authored by Michael Both and other contributors, this book provides investors with a roadmap to navigate the complexities of the financial markets, while emphasizing a long-term low-cost and disciplined approach. The book emphasizes the importance of simplicity, low fees, and diversified investment portfolio. It offers guidance on asset allocation, mutual fund selection, and strategies for minimizing taxes. The Bogleheads advocate for passive investing, primarily through index funds, and they provide readers with practical steps to build a well-balanced and diversified portfolio. The book also addresses common investor pitfalls, such as market timing and stock picking, and provides insights into maintaining a disciplined approach to investing. Whether you're a novice investor or a seasoned pro, the Bogleheads Guide to Investing offers valuable insights and a straightforward approach to achieving your financial goals. Number 9. I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. A well-known personal finance expert and entrepreneur, Sethi offers a refreshing take on personal finance and investing in I Will Teach You to Be Rich. With a focus on young professionals and those new to managing their finances, Sethi provides practical, no-nonsense advice to help readers achieve financial success without sacrificing their daily lives. This book is a step-by-step guide to automating your finances, optimizing your investments, and living a rich life on your terms. Sethi's approach is all about practicality and automation. He guides readers through setting up automated systems for saving, investing, and paying bills, allowing them to effortlessly grow their wealth over time. The book covers a wide range of financial topics including budgeting, investing in low-cost index funds, and negotiating for higher salaries. Sethi encourages readers to focus on what truly matters to them and to allocate their money accordingly, rather than adopting extreme frugality. He also emphasizes the importance of starting early to take advantage of compound interest and time in the market. With a blend of humor and actionable advice, I Will Teach You to Be Rich is an engaging and accessible resource for young adults looking to take control of their finances and build wealth without sacrificing the joys of life. Number 8. The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. A well-known personal finance expert, radio host, and author, Dave Ramsey, presents a clear and actionable roadmap to financial fitness in the Total Money Makeover. Ramsey's mission is to help individuals take control of their finances, eliminate debt, build wealth, and achieve financial peace. This book is a comprehensive guide for anyone seeking to transform their financial situation and secure a brighter financial future. The Total Money Makeover outlines Ramsey's proven 7-step plan for achieving financial success. He advocates for the importance of creating an emergency fund, paying off debt, and building wealth through wise investing and retirement planning. Ramsey's approach is rooted in common-sense principles and practical advice, making it accessible to readers of all financial backgrounds. Throughout the book, Ramsey shares real-life success stories of individuals who have followed his plan and achieved financial freedom. Whether you're drowning in debt, looking to improve your budgeting skills, or aiming to secure your retirement, this book provides a comprehensive blueprint for taking control of your financial life and achieving lasting prosperity. Number 7. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Considered the Bible of value investing, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham is a seminal work that has influenced countless successful investors, including Warren Buffett. Graham, often referred to as the father of value investing, provides readers with timeless insights and strategies for making sound investment decisions. This book is a must-read for anyone seeking to navigate the complex world of stocks and bonds with intelligence and prudence. Graham's approach to investing is based on the principle of value investing, where he encourages investors to focus on the intrinsic value of a company rather than market fluctuations. He introduces the concept of Mr. Market, an irrational investor who fluctuates between optimism and pessimism, creating opportunities for the intelligent investor. Graham emphasizes the importance of conducting thorough research and analysis, and he provides practical guidance on how to assess stocks and bonds for investment. He also introduces the idea of a margin of safety, which involves buying. Number 6. The Richest Man in Babylon by George Samuel Clason. Step back in time to ancient Babylon with George Samuel Clason's timeless classic, The Richest Man in Babylon. Written as a collection of parables, this book offers financial wisdom that has endured for centuries. Clason's narrative takes us to a world where simple yet powerful financial principles are passed down from one generation to the next, providing readers with invaluable insights into wealth building and money management. In The Richest Man in Babylon, Clason imparts financial lessons through the stories of individuals facing common financial challenges. These tales emphasized fundamental principles such as paying yourself first, living below your means, and investing wisely. Through engaging narratives set in the ancient city of Babylon, Clason delivers practical advice on building wealth, managing debt, and making sound financial decisions. The book's enduring appeal lies in its simplicity and timelessness, making it accessible and relevant to readers of all backgrounds and financial situations. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or seeking to improve your financial literacy, The Richest Man in Babylon provides a foundation of financial wisdom that can guide you toward financial success. Number 5. Broke Millennial by Aaron Lowry. In the fast-paced, financially uncertain world of today, Aaron Lowry's Broke Millennial is a breath of fresh air, offering a modern and relatable perspective on personal finance. Lowry, a financial educator and writer, understands the unique financial challenges that millennials face. Her book is a friendly, no-nonsense guide to help young adults take control of their finances, break free from financial stress, and build a solid financial foundation for their futures. Broke Millennial covers a wide range of financial topics, from budgeting and saving to investing and navigating student loans. Lowry uses humor and relatable anecdotes to break down complex financial concepts into understandable, actionable steps. She addresses common financial dilemmas millennials encounter, such as dealing with roommates, managing debt, and discussing money with partners. The book encourages readers to embrace open conversations about money and provides practical advice on setting financial goals and creating a roadmap to achieve them. Number 4. Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin. Along with co-author Joe Dominguez, Vicki Robin presents a transformative perspective on money and life in Your Money or Your Life. This influential book has been a beacon of financial wisdom and frugality for decades. Robin's mission is clear: to help readers achieve financial independence, gain control over their finances, and ultimately reclaim their lives from the relentless pursuit of money. Your Money or Your Life provides readers with a 9-step program for achieving financial freedom. Robin emphasizes the importance of tracking every dollar you earn and spend, thereby gaining a clear understanding of your financial reality. The book encourages readers to examine their spending habits, align their values with their financial decisions, and explore the concept of enough. Through practical exercises and thought-provoking questions, it guides readers towards saving, investing, and achieving financial independence. Robin's approach to mindful spending and intentional living has resonated with countless individuals seeking to break free from the cycle of consumerism and find greater meaning and purpose in their financial journey. Number 3. The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. A seasoned financial journalist and writer, Morgan Housel delves into the fascinating and often perplexing world of personal finance and the psychology of money. Rather than focusing solely on the technical aspects of money management, Housel explores the psychological and behavioral factors that influence our financial decisions. This book is a captivating journey through the quirks and complexities of human behavior when it comes to money. The Psychology of Money offers a fresh perspective on why we make the financial choices we do. Housel delves into the impact of emotions, biases, and social influences on our financial behavior. Illustrating these concepts through engaging anecdotes and real-life stories, He highlights the importance of patience, humility, and a long-term mindset in achieving financial success. Household doesn't provide a one-size-fits-all approach, but rather encourages readers to understand their unique relationship with money and make decisions that align with their values and goals. Whether you're an experienced investor or just starting your financial journey, this book provides valuable insights into the psychology of money that can help you make more informed and successful financial decisions. Number 2. Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. In the realm of personal finance and wealth building, few books have had as much impact as Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Kiyosaki, a successful entrepreneur and investor, shares his financial wisdom through the lens of his two dads, his biological father, Poor Dad, and the father of his best friend, Rich Dad. This groundbreaking book challenges conventional beliefs about money and offers a fresh perspective on how to achieve financial independence. Rich Dad Poor Dad explores the fundamental principles of financial literacy that many people are never taught in school. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of financial education, asset building, and entrepreneurship. He introduces concepts like passive income, assets versus liabilities, and the importance of taking calculated risks. Through relatable anecdotes and easy-to-understand language, Kiyosaki empowers readers to think differently about money and wealth. This book is a powerful starting point for those looking to break free from the cycle of financial struggle and embark on a journey toward financial freedom. Number 1. The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley. A renowned researcher and author, Thomas J. Stanley presents a groundbreaking study on the lives of millionaires in The Millionaire Next Door. Unlike the flashy images of wealth often portrayed in the media, Stanley reveals the surprising habits and characteristics that many millionaires share. This book is a fascinating exploration of the everyday millionaires who have quietly accumulated substantial wealth. The Millionaire Next Door challenges common stereotypes about wealth and success. Stanley's research identifies key traits and behaviors that set millionaires apart, such as frugality, a commitment to saving, and living below their means. He introduces the concept of prodigious accumulators of wealth, PAWs, versus underaccumulators of wealth, UAWs, shedding light on the importance of financial discipline and a long-term perspective. Through real-life stories and data-driven insights, Stanley offers a blueprint for achieving financial independence and building wealth over time. This book is a must-read for anyone seeking to understand the practical habits and principles that can lead to financial prosperity and long-term financial security. So whether you're striving to eliminate debt, build wealth, or simply improve your financial literacy, the knowledge and insights within these pages are your keys to success. But remember, reading alone won't transform your financial life. It's the application of these principles that truly makes a difference. So as you embark on your financial journey, armed with the wisdom from these books, take action, set goals, and stay committed. Share your favorite insights from these books in the comments below, and let us know which financial topics you'd like us to explore next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends and family who could benefit from the knowledge contained in these books. Video helped you find the next book you are going to read, then like and share this video. Let me know in comment section on what type of books I should cover in my next video. Also, if you read one of the books mentioned in this video, share your review or thoughts with us. Subscribe this channel for more such awesome videos. Thanks for watching.